1. Take advantage of rewards programs. One of the key strategies for frugal living is to make the most out of rewards programs. These programs offer various ways to earn cash back or discounts on your everyday expenses. Whether it's through smartphone apps like Ibotta or credit card rewards programs, taking advantage of these opportunities can significantly impact your savings. For instance, apps like Ibotta allow you to earn cash back on essential purchases, such as groceries and household items. By simply scanning your receipts or linking your loyalty cards, you can accumulate savings over time. Additionally, many credit cards offer rewards points or cash back for specific spending categories, such as groceries, gas, or dining out. This could translate into substantial savings, especially if you use your credit card for necessary expenses, and pay off the balance each month to avoid interest charges. 2. Learn to DIY and fix things yourself. Another valuable frugal living tip is to develop the skills to do it yourself and handle basic repairs and maintenance tasks on your own. This approach not only saves you money on service fees, but also empowers you to take control of your living space and possessions. With the wealth of instructional content available online, especially on platforms like YouTube, you can access step-by-step tutorials for a wide range of home and auto repairs. These resources cover everything from fixing leaky faucets and unclogging drains to more advanced tasks like painting rooms, assembling furniture, or even performing basic car maintenance like changing oil or replacing air filters. 3. Shop secondhand. Shopping for secondhand items is a frugal living strategy that not only saves you money, but also promotes sustainability. You can find quality goods at significantly lower prices by exploring thrift stores, garage sales, and online platforms like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. Secondhand shopping offers a wide range of opportunities, from clothing and furniture to electronics and home appliances. Many of these items are gently used or even brand new, making them excellent alternatives to buying everything at full retail price. When you shop secondhand, you can discover unique and vintage pieces that add character to your home or wardrobe without breaking the bank. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice that reduces waste and minimizes your carbon footprint by extending the lifespan of items. 4. Cut the cord on cable. Cutting the cord on cable television is a savvy frugal living move in the digital age. With the rise of streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and many others, there's no need to pay for expensive cable packages that often come with channels you don't watch. By canceling your cable subscription and opting for streaming services, you can significantly reduce your monthly entertainment expenses while gaining more control over what you watch. Streaming platforms typically offer a wide range of content, from movies and TV shows to documentaries and original programming, allowing you to tailor your viewing experience to your preferences. Additionally, many streaming services offer flexible subscription plans, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. This way, you're not paying for channels or content you don't use, ultimately saving you money that can be put toward other financial goals or necessities. 5. Lower your utility bills. Lowering your utility bills is a practical frugal living strategy that can lead to substantial savings over time. Small adjustments in your daily habits and household routines can make a significant difference in reducing your energy and water expenses. Start by turning off lights, appliances, and electronics when they're not in use. Consider using energy-efficient LED bulbs, which consume less electricity and have a longer lifespan. Adjust your thermostat settings to conserve energy, lowering the temperature in winter, and raising it in summer can save you money on heating and cooling costs. Unplug devices and chargers when they're not actively charging, as many electronics continue to draw power even in standby mode. Installing a programmable thermostat can help you schedule temperature adjustments to match your daily routine. Another cost-saving measure is to identify and seal any drafts or leaks in your home, such as around windows and doors. This prevents heated or cooled air from escaping, making your HVAC system work more efficiently. 6. Limit driving to save on gas. Limiting your reliance on driving can be a frugal and eco-friendly choice that saves you money on gas and vehicle-related expenses. Consider alternative transportation methods for short trips and daily commutes. For short trips, opt for walking or biking if possible. This not only saves on gas, but also promotes a healthier lifestyle and reduces your carbon footprint. Public transit, carpooling, or ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft can also be cost-effective alternatives, especially if you share the expenses with others. Additionally, planning your errands efficiently can help reduce the number of trips you need to make. Combine multiple errands into one outing to minimize the distance you travel. If you live in an urban area, explore options like car-sharing programs or using a bicycle for commuting. 7. Embrace minimalism. Embracing minimalism is a fundamental principle of frugal living that can positively impact your finances and lifestyle. The core idea is to simplify your life by focusing on what truly matters and shedding unnecessary possessions and expenses. When you live alone, especially in a small space, you have a unique opportunity to adopt a minimalist approach to your living environment. Start by decluttering your living space and assessing your belongings. Keep only the items that serve a practical purpose or bring you genuine joy. By reducing your possessions to the essentials, you not only create a more organized and serene living space, but also save money. You'll be less tempted to make impulsive purchases or accumulate items you don't truly need. Minimalism extends beyond physical possessions. It also applies to your lifestyle choices. Consider simplifying your daily routines, commitments, and even your social life. This can lead to more time and resources dedicated to experiences and activities that truly enrich your life. 8. Shop smart. Shopping smart is a crucial aspect of frugal living that involves making informed and cost-effective purchasing decisions. By following some simple strategies, you can stretch your budget and get the most value out of your spending. One of the key principles of smart shopping is to create a shopping list before heading to the store. This list should include the items you genuinely need, helping you avoid impulse purchases. Stick to your list as closely as possible to prevent unnecessary spending. Consider buying generic or store brand items when they are equivalent in quality to name brands. These products often come at a lower cost without sacrificing quality. Additionally, be on the lookout for sales, discounts, and coupons. Many stores offer loyalty programs that provide further savings or rewards for frequent shoppers. Exploring discount stores like Aldi or other budget-friendly options can also help you find quality products at lower prices. Buying in bulk for items you use regularly, such as non-perishable goods, can further reduce your overall grocery expenses. 9. Plan your meals and meal prep. Meal planning and meal preparation are essential strategies for frugal living, helping you save money and make healthier food choices. By incorporating these practices into your routine, you can reduce food waste and dining expenses. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that outlines your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Base your plan on affordable, nutritious ingredients and recipes that you enjoy. Planning your meals in advance allows you to shop more efficiently, reducing the likelihood of impulse purchases. Once you have your plan, consider batch cooking or meal prepping on your day off. Prepare larger quantities of meals and portion them into containers for the week ahead. This eliminates the need for costly takeout or dining out during busy weekdays. Soups, stews, chilies, and casseroles are excellent options for batch cooking, as they can be stored and reheated easily. Meal prepping not only saves you money, but also helps you make healthier choices since you have control over the ingredients and portion sizes. It also frees up valuable time during the week, making it easier to stick to your frugal living goals. 10. Avoid impulse purchases. Avoiding impulse purchases is a critical frugal living strategy that helps you stay on track with your financial goals. Impulse buying can quickly erode your budget and lead to unnecessary clutter in your home. To prevent impulse purchases, establish a waiting period for larger items. Before buying something on a whim, take time to think it over. Ask yourself whether the purchase aligns with your needs, budget, and financial goals. Often, waiting a day or even a week can help you realize that you don't actually need or want the item. Stick to a shopping list when you go to the store, whether it's for groceries or other items. Having a list keeps you focused on your planned purchases and reduces the temptation to buy items not on the list. 11. Track your spending. Tracking your spending is a foundational practice of frugal living that provides essential insights into your financial habits. By monitoring where your money goes, you can identify areas where you can cut costs and make smarter financial decisions. Utilize budgeting tools and apps like Mint or EveryDollar to create a detailed budget that outlines your income and expenses. Categorize your spending to see where your money is allocated, such as housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and savings. This visual representation allows you to identify areas where you may be overspending. Regularly review your bank and credit card statements to ensure accuracy and spot any unauthorized charges. By staying vigilant, you can catch errors and prevent fraud, which can save you money in the long run. 12. Take advantage of free activities. As a solo frugal liver, discovering and participating in free activities can significantly enhance your quality of life without straining your budget. Many cities offer a wealth of no-cost events and opportunities for entertainment and personal growth. Look for free events happening in your area, such as concerts, festivals, lectures, and classes. Local libraries often host free activities, including book clubs, workshops, and movie screenings. Museums may have designated days with free or reduced admission, allowing you to explore art, history, and culture without the expense. Embrace the outdoors by enjoying parks, hiking trails, and scenic spots. Outdoor activities like picnics, birdwatching, and stargazing can provide both relaxation and adventure without spending a dime. Engaging in these free activities not only saves money, but also enriches your life by offering new experiences and opportunities for social interaction. As a frugal liver, you can enjoy a fulfilling and well-rounded lifestyle without the burden of excessive expenses. There you have it, our comprehensive guide to frugal living for single individuals. We hope these 12 frugal living tips have provided you with valuable insights on how to save money, make smart financial decisions, and improve your quality of life without sacrificing what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button below and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these tips.